So, a really good question from a subscriber. How do I keep my truck clean as a scrungy, dirty, disgusting flatbedder? Very simple, my man. Mr. By the Mile, welcome back. You're home for knowledge and experience in trucking, red pill, and survival. So, this is what I do, man. All right. Dirty clothes. You see that? You see that bin? When my shoes get dirty, bam, I put them in there. I think I might change to boots that I can slip in and out of rather than these Timberlands, which I love, by the way. They're really good and comfortable, I might add. I have insoles in them too. But, sometimes I leave them unlaced. And I just put them on and take them off. But if I know I have to go in and out of the truck for whatever reason, maybe there's something at the center of the storage area and I have to lift my bunk up, this is what I do. Trash bag, all right? It's like what are they, 44 gallon or something like that? 30 gallon. See, just put it here underneath the pedal. Bam, and I can step all over it, no problem. And then before I leave, I shake it off outside. If it's really bad, I just throw it away. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So that's it, man. That's all I do. That bin up there, I got it at Walmart. Right, it was like $6. Came with the lid too, so why not, man? Why not? Why wouldn't I do this? I'm here in Madras, Oregon. It's absolutely gorgeous, man. I just posted some really good footage on my Instagram. Oh, man. And I'm telling you guys, man, if you make your OTR life a hell of a lot smoother and you stay sane a lot longer when you keep your ship in tip-top shape. In tip-top ship shape. You take pride in your little home and everything starts feeling a little better. Actually coming to my truck is an escape for me from everything else. Once I come in here, I got my lights up. You guys know already. How I have my LEDs all over, and I got my awesome big Punisher flag here, So it feels like home, man, It always feels like home in here. I love it. I've got a step deck right now, and they're about to load me up. So I've already been waiting here for what? It's been an hour. I got here at 12:33. Right off the 26 highway, and it is now 2 o'clock. So once I get loaded and strapped and tarped, who knows how much time is gonna pass, but I'm picking up lumber. I'm most likely gonna have to use all 3 tarps, so I'm gonna make sure I have good overlapping and my tarps, because there's going to be some wind going through I-80. So going to Pella, Iowa again. Good miles. I should deliver by Friday, get another load. So I'm probably looking at a 3,200 mile week, 3,000 minimum. But you never know. Maybe they'll only give me a 700 mile run or something, and it turns out to be, well, it would still be, it would still be 3,000 miles at that. So I know they'll give me more. So that's if, I deliver by Monday or Tuesday before noon. So anyway, you guys, the bags, here they are. I just buy these. It's lasted me a while. Ever since I've been out on the road doing this, like this, after they become dirty, You know, if they're real bad and there's like holes for me stepping on them and stuff, you know, I'll obviously I'll toss them out. If not, I take them into the shower with me, along with that bucket when it gets really, really dirty, that bin. Just take it to the shower with me and I wash it off. Simple as that, man. Then I can put all of my stuff in that bin and carry it back, and it's got rollers on it, right? So I poked a hole through it, and I can put or tie it with, you know, a paracord. I can pull it too. So, you know, whatever. It works. It works. But yeah, these are 30 gallon. Comes with 21, and it's like what, like $5 or something like that. Less than, yeah, something like that. Anyway, I just reuse the bags if they don't get too dirty, you know, because I don't like stepping everywhere. Even when the boots are clean, I don't do that. When I'm in the truck, I use these, but most of the time I'm barefoot because I'm trying to get rid of some foot fungus too. So, you know, that's how I do it. And I've got a lot of questions about, you know, what knives do I carry and whatnot. I mean, you guys know I'm into preparedness and all that, so I'm always thinking like, you know, like a kid, man, like I'm gonna get stranded. The truck's not gonna be able to run anymore. I'm gonna have to hunt deers and lions and tigers and bears, right? So I got my foldable buck knife, man. Yeah, so I got this bad boy, right? Of course, I did a review already on my Leatherman Signal. I'll leave a link in the description box below on the review for this. For you dry van guys, all right? Even flatbedders, dude, this knife cuts through straps like butter, and the pliers on this thing are exceptional. I wish I could show you. I wish I was a dry van or reefer guy right now so I could show you how easily this busts open the cables on the damn seal. You know, the cable seals, the seal cables. Dude, like nothing. Thing is great. I love this thing. So a link for that is in the description box below. And of course, I got myself this little bad boy. Look at that. By Gerber. Look at Walmart. Boom. Look how cool that is. Nice and sharp, concealable. Very nice, very nice. But yeah, it's a nice little, really nice little blade. Love this thing. Comes in very handy. So then I got that. And then of course, I don't know if I've shown you this or not, you guys. A little bag for excursion, right? By Benchmade Adamas. This cuts through straps as well, but I would much rather use the Leatherman Signal. But this is a survival knife. I would use this for fabricating a friction fire, and I would use the sheath, right, as the handle to hold it down, and the paracord for the string and the bow for a bow drill friction fire. Bada bing. And is he honking at me? Are you honking at me, sir? No. He's just honking at somebody. So. And then I did the demonstration on the trucker's hitch. Show you guys how to, you know, do that. What this is called is a rapid ridgeline. It's set up so that I can quickly set up a survival shelter with my poncho shelter using a trucker's hitch is what I do. So I have a video, link is in the description box below, where I show you how to do that, which leads to how to tie a bowline and then how to tie the other end of the trucker's hitch in a way where you pull it tight, put it through the loop again, and basically when you're doing the trucker's hitch and you go through that loop once, right? The thing is that sometimes people have trouble putting that tension in there. You know what I'm saying? So if you go through again, I basically show you a way that you pull it and it stays there, and then all you have to do is finish it up real quick without struggling to keep the tension on there. So it makes life a lot easier. It moves you along a lot quicker when you're exposed to the elements and you have to get that shelter up quickly. I'm able to set the thing up, you know, with, you know, trucker's hitch, rapid ridgeline setup, and then the I put my poncho shelter on there and make a nice little, you know, shelter within like 60 seconds. You know, I might be lying, probably 60 seconds and some change, something like that. I'm not the best, but, you know, I'm efficient. I get it done. So yeah, links for those videos are in the description box below. And if you're new, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications for future videos. I try to put as much knowledge out there as I can, and hope you guys appreciate it. So you'll find that there. My company, my flatbed company, just increased tarp pay to $100 a load. So that starts today. Yes. Big bank, baby, big bank. And look, my fly's down, yo. Whoa, whoa. So anyways, you guys, I gotta show you my stove real quick, but that'll be for a separate video. I actually have 2 different stoves, an electric and a butane. So, you know, butane never runs out. Hey, I got the electric one just in case, and it works really well. So I'm not gonna get rid of that bad boy. I was thinking about it for a while, but then I ran out of butane, and sometimes Walmarts don't have butane, so have it there just in case. I can still boil my water, and it heats up really fast. You know, I like it. It's a 2-burner electric stove. Really good, really good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not gonna make it long as usual. Mr. By the Mile, your home for knowledge and experience in the red pill, trucking, and survival. Take care, stay safe. All you new truckers and veterans, see you on the road.